Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today we have an exciting comparison for you: the Vantrue N2 Pro Dashcam versus the G-May-Pop Dashcam. These two products claim to be the best in the market, but which one truly deserves your hard-earned money? Let's find out. When it comes to video quality, both dashcams offer impressive capabilities. The Vantrue N2 Pro Dashcam boasts a dual lens system, capturing the road front and inside the passenger cabin simultaneously in crystal clear 1080p resolution. This is perfect for rideshare drivers who need evidence in case of any rowdy passengers causing trouble. On the other hand, the G-May-Pop Dashcam takes it up a notch with a real 4K front camera and a 1080p rear slide camera. With its wide-angle lenses and advanced sensor, this dashcam captures every detail from road signs to license plates. Driving at night can be challenging, but these dashcams have got you covered. The Vantrue N2 Pro Dashcam features infrared night vision with 4 IR LED lights, ensuring flawless video footage even in the darkest conditions. Meanwhile, the G-May-Pop Dashcam utilizes advanced technology and HDR function to cut down on glare and reflection, providing crystal clear night vision. Now let's talk about the extra features that set these dashcams apart. The Vantrue N2 Pro Dashcam offers a 24-hour parking mode with motion activation, ensuring that any suspicious activity around your vehicle is recorded. It also has a looping recording feature and a G sensor that locks important footage in case of an accident. On the other hand, the G-May-Pop Dashcam comes with Wi-Fi and phone app control, allowing you to access and share your recordings directly from your smartphone. It also offers an optional inside rear camera, giving you more flexibility in monitoring your surroundings. Reviewers highly recommend both dashcams for their excellent image and sound quality, ease of installation, and additional features. The Vantrue N2 Pro Dashcam is praised for its 1080p video quality and infrared night vision, while the G-May-Pop Dashcam stands out with its 4K front camera and HDR night vision. Ultimately, the choice between the two comes down to personal preference and budget. And that wraps up our comparison between the Vantrue N2 Pro Dashcam and the G-May-Pop Dashcam. Both products have their unique strengths, but it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs and budget. Remember, at Buy Smart, we're here to help you make smarter buying decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Let us know in the comments which dashcam you prefer, or if there are any other products you'd like us to compare. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.